Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make playlist in Windows Media Player. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open the Windows Media Player and you will see this kind of interface. You can see this option here, playlist. Just simply tap on this playlist. You can see this create playlist. You have to tap on it and then you have to rename it. So write any name whatever you want. So when you are done, what you can do is you can go to this videos or pictures. So drag it here and then select them all, left click on it and you can tap on this add to, and then you will see your playlist here. Just simply select your playlist and they will be added to your playlist. Now go to your playlist and you will see that these videos are in your playlist. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make playlist in Windows Media Player. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.